Hey everyone, I've been thinking a lot about street photography recently. I often think about it and try to consider what it is, what I like about it, and what I don't. Plus, how it might fit in with my own style of photography, whatever that might be. As a starting point, I think genres and labels can be quite limiting and unhelpful. I see a lot of photographs that maybe try to tick the box of being street photography by including a person somewhere in the frame, and so often I wonder if the picture would be improved if the person wasn't there at all. I'll hold my hand up, I'm definitely guilty of that here, but I'm reflecting on it, so I don't feel so bad. I enjoy setting myself little photography projects, and the idea here was to take photos on the street or river with people in the frame as much as possible. The reason I wanted to do that was because it's not my instinct to always include people. I'm mostly content to take photos of light falling across walls and more abstract scenes on the streets without the people taking center stage or being on the stage at all. However, I believe you can still say something about people without showing the whites of somebody's eyes. It's not necessary to take a close portrait to reveal something about them. I do like wide street scenes though, and all of these pictures are taken with my Fujifilm 18mm f2 lens. Sometimes the hint of humanity, a distant figure or two in a scene, can be a faint but sufficient reminder that it's an environment where people go about their lives. It's not the bricks and mortar that are of interest, but knowing people walk amongst them every day. Should I show a person crossing the beautiful mathematical bridge in Cambridge to stress that it's a place where people live and work? Maybe, or maybe not, but importantly, I don't feel compelled to. So people can be absent or distant. I think that's where my heart lies. But there are photographers who can show fantastic, illuminating intimacy in their street pictures of people. I tried to do that here for some frames, but I'm a bit shy when it comes to getting close to people to take photos. Of course, that's okay right now, as you're not supposed to get close to people these days. For some of these I caught people as they walked by in the street, but I think mostly these are my least favorite shots. I'm sharing them as they've taught me that it's really not what I want to do. I think that it's the idea of catching people, or half catching them, that I don't love. For some of these, I don't really know what they say about anything. Some have more about them, a little humor or atmosphere, but for me those pictures don't come along easy or often. I love portraits where there is a collaboration of sorts with the subject, and I also love finding people nestled amongst the buildings and streets of a city where they are more anonymous and certainly not collaborating. But these distant figures, although sometimes expressive, usually represent people in general. These are not portraits of them as individuals. I don't know for sure if it works, but that's a more honest style of photography for me right now. Let the setting and the light and the serendipity of the interaction of all of those simply try to make a picture. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting the channel. We are amazingly close to reaching 5,000 subscribers, so why not take a moment to double check that you've subscribed. Also, for a short while I'm giving away a Fujifilm Instax print of one of my photographs to any new Patreon supporters. The link for that is in the description, of course. Thanks again for watching. See you all very soon.